Today, we're going to focus on action verbs. These are the words that show what someone or something is doing. We'll practice using them in sentences. I am washing. I am washing. I am watering. I am watering. I am eating. I am eating. I am going. I am going. I am running. I am running. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am singing. I am singing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am writing. I am writing. I am reading. I am reading. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am driving. I am driving. I am talking. I am talking. I am listening. I am listening. I am painting. I am painting. I am cleaning. I am cleaning. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am writing. I am writing. I am playing. I am playing. I am drawing. I am drawing. I am climbing. I am climbing. I am watching. I am watching. I am shopping. I am shopping. I am baking. I am baking. I am laughing. I am laughing. I am crying. I am crying. I am learning. I am learning. I am teaching. I am teaching. I am sewing. I am sewing. I am knitting. I am knitting. I am throwing. I am throwing. I am catching. I am catching. I am kicking. I am kicking. I am folding. I am folding. I am ironing. I am ironing. I am mowing. I am mowing. I am raking. I am raking. I am shoveling. I am shoveling. I am skiing. I am skiing. I am surfing. I am surfing. I am brushing. I am brushing. I am coming. I am coming. I am shaving. I am shaving. I am planting. I am planting. I am milking. I am milking. I am feeding. I am feeding. I am fishing. I am fishing. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below.